Hey guys, it is the following day after last night, so this is the last, like yesterday's vlog, which will be going up either tonight, and this will be going up tomorrow. So, as you can see, I'm in my dad's Jeep. We are going up to the boat to figure out the starting motor, is it? I'm tell them what we're doing. No? I'm tell them what we're doing now? No? Okay. Well, basically, the boat won't start. It's out of the water, so what we have to do then, we have to try and figure out the starting motor. If it, get it in the water, see if it works. And yeah, it's gonna be a few hours, but I think it'll be okay. We have to get home. We have to get home quite early because we have guests coming over too. So yeah, see how it goes. Hello again. We have arrived at the marina. Yeah, this is where the boat's being kept. So now the plan is for us to head here. We just followed up. I'll just let Dad in so he can just drive. Clean it a bit. Get the starting motor, see if it works. I think put it in the water. So yeah, let's have a look at her. Well, we are about halfway done. We did all this side here. All this side is clean. Working our way around, kind of starting from the top and around. There's the water. I'm just using it to clear up some shit. A few streaks down the back, and this half needs to be done, but it'll be good. Yeah. So hopefully I'll see you when it's completely finished, which is good. Well, we are about halfway done. We did all this side here. All this side is clean. Working our way around, kind of starting from the top and around. There's the water. I'm just using it to clear up some shit. A few streaks down the back, and this half needs to be done, but it'll be good. Yeah. So we've finished the cleaning. Dad's just towing it over to the point just to see if we can start. Now, she looks okay. She looks good. On the outside. This is new. It used to be just concrete here, now it's sand. So we're just trying to get it in here, enough for the engine to go in, is all. I'm just trying to get up on higher ground. Just for the engine to go in. She's in. Yep, the engine's under. Woo! The Action Man plan. Hey! Good. And he's aboard. The captain is aboard. Moment of truth. Will she start? We need... It's good to see her back in the water. But one, we can't take her in because the water's too shallow, and two, also we have guests coming over for dinner, so we have to kind of hurry it up a bit. Drum roll, please. Box. Look, so now it's not. So now it's not. Hasn't started. We don't think it will start. So now I think the plan is take her back out, get our shit together, and where is she? She's right there. She's right there. So yeah, I think the plan is now get our shit together.
You don't want me and Rick to be happy?
No.
Well then get your shit together. Get it all together and put it in a backpack. All your shit, so it's together. And if you gotta take it somewhere, you know? Take it to the shit store and sell it. Or put it in a shit museum. I don't care what you do. You just gotta get it together. Get your shit together.
Take her back out. Unhitch her from the truck and head home, because it'll take us about an hour and a half to get home, and also I need to change. And yes, excuse my hair, because it was seriously warm and we just threw the hoses on our heads just to cool us down. So yeah, I'll see you either in the car or back home. See you in a bit. Okay guys, sorry, I completely left off. I forgot to end off the video. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and if you did like it, hit that subscribe button. It is free, really helps out the channel as well, and if you liked it, hit that like button as well. Thank you very much for watching. Also, just before I end off, yeah, also hit that bell button so you get notified anytime I upload. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.